Hello AECT Graduate Student Assembly. My name is Addi Mavengere and I'm pursuing a PhD in Learning Design and Technology at the University of Georgia. Today I'm asking for your support as I run for the position of President of the Graduate Student Assembly. I believe in the power of technology, not just as a tool, but as a catalyst to expand access, to unlock opportunities, and to grow education globally. My journey in education and educational technology has taken me from classrooms in Zimbabwe to international forums such as the Mandela Washington Fellowship and the Dalai Lama Fellows Program. I have seen firsthand how innovative ideas grounded in empathy can transform communities and develop education. In 2022, I launched Texpo, Zimbabwe's first educational technology expo, which provides teachers and students the opportunity to engage with educational technologies and get an understanding of how technologies can enhance education delivery. With the support of international organizations, including the Department of State, through the US Embassy in Zimbabwe, mobile network operators, non-governmental organizations, government departments, and various other supporters, Texpo is enhancing the work of teachers in classrooms and making the power of technology more effective in classrooms across Zimbabwe. I'm not here today to talk about my story. I'm here to talk about our future. As president of the AECT Graduate Student Assembly, I endeavor to provide opportunities for us to engage with international opportunities. As president of the Graduate Student Assembly, I will focus on building bridges between you, our members, and global opportunities. First, I will focus on providing our members the opportunity to participate in international fora, such as eLearning Africa, which is Africa's largest educational technology conference, in the M-Education Alliance Symposium, which is one of the biggest development and EdTech conferences, as well as other conferences and international platforms where students such as ourselves would be able to interact with practitioners from across the globe. Second, I will work to provide opportunities for our members to engage with policymakers and practitioners who are shaping the standards for educational technology and communication. The rapid evolution of technologies which are shaping education today should be matched by our efforts to contribute to discourse in policy and standards that shape the way these technologies are developed and used across education systems. To that effect, my presidency will have a direct focus on engagement with industry and policymakers so that we are able to contribute our thoughts towards how technology is developed and used in education, towards how policy focuses on improving education and not just pushing technology into classrooms. During my presidency, I want GSA members to have greater access to international opportunities which take them out of their classrooms and into the world where they are able to see the impact of their research and their innovations in education. I would like to provide opportunities for our members to be able to develop skills which they find meaningful as they study and beyond into their careers. I'd like to create collaborative spaces where GSA members are able to engage with other networks so that they're able to build career opportunities, expand research, and get into meaningful innovation which shapes how classrooms are run. This is more than a campaign. It's a call to action, to reimagine how we as graduate students can contribute towards improving education. It's a call upon all of us to see ourselves as co-creators and not just recipients of education, but people who are shaping the future. If you believe in a more connected and opportunity-filled GSA, I'm calling upon you right now to vote for me to be president of the GSA.